Super Andrew, Super Scott, Super Kelsey. Very finesse on them controls, very like wins, Andrew. Towards me, into wind. Yeah, notice the difference. No hands kiting. Super Kels. Bow. There you go. So instant you see it starting to go off to one side, you need to immediately be correcting it. Bow, 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 go into wind. Bow, bow more, bow more, bow more. Oh, lean your body down, bow. There, now start to come back. Hey! Look at the new training field, absolutely gorgeous.
Super Training UK!
What do you think to it, Andrew?
Quality. Learn skills here you'll never learn. I like it.
You got out to say, Scott?
To be honest, mate, if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be where I am right now anyway. Yeah, well.
Kelsey, you're an existing pilot and you're just brushing out some bad habits. How are you finding it now? More control, more confidence in your wing?
Well, all I can say is you need to control your glider on takeoff. You need to control your dad. Oh, hang on. Cut!
No, just roll it because it's raw footage. We don't do any cutting outs.
All I can say is I need to control my glider on takeoff. I need to control my glider on landing. That's where I'm having my problems. Messing around in the snow kiting is doing me the world of good. Thank you.
Yeah, you won't need much power. There we go. Kiting on the ground with big ears using weight shift only. Super students, super skills. Yeah, keep that loading, keep weight shifting, keep it dead centre above you. That's it. Awesome. Don't go too close to that edge, Andrew, come back more. Feel where your wing's going, that's why you're shooting off to the side. Hands right up, run, power, power. Go on again, off the hill. Right, kiting walls. If your wing touches the ground, you're out. Go. I bet you that time. Well done, Scott. Are you ready? Round 2, best of 3. He's behind you, Andrew, so you need to get behind him. We don't mind a wingtip touch. Yeah, we bet you again. Ready, go. Oh, draw, a draw. Max, get set, go. Decider time. Keep it flying. Yeah, Sunny a wingtip. That'll do. Get side by side. Tell me when you're both ready. You ready? Go! Keep them wings flying. Hey, yeah, Scott won that. But go again. Keep going. Keep going. There comes the snow.